In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsend a message in Facebook Messenger. We will walk through each tap slowly so you can follow on your own phone. First, open Messenger on your Android or iPhone. Look for the familiar Messenger icon with the chat bubble and small lightning symbol, then tap it once. When the app opens, you should land on your list of recent conversations, each showing a name or group and a short preview of the latest message. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you are in the correct profile where you sent the message you want to remove. Now, open the conversation. Find the chat where you sent the message you regret, then tap the conversation to enter it. You should now see the full message history with that person or group, with the most recent messages near the bottom of the screen. Take a moment to scroll if needed so the message you want to unsend is clearly visible. Next up, tap and hold the message you sent. Press your finger on that specific message bubble and keep it there for about a second. When you do this correctly, a small menu will appear on the screen, usually near the bottom or just above the message. This long press only affects the single message you touched, not the whole conversation, so check that the message you see highlighted is the exact one you want to remove. With that menu open, tap Remove or Delete. The wording can look slightly different depending on your version of Messenger or your device, but both options take you to the same place. After you tap it, a new set of options will appear, usually in a panel that slides up from the bottom. If you tap something else by mistake, you can always tap outside the menu to close it, then tap and hold the message again. From there, tap Unsend for everyone or Delete for everyone. This is the option that pulls the message back from the conversation so other people can no longer see it. Be careful not to choose Remove for you or Delete for you, which would only hide the message on your phone while everyone else still sees it. Once you pick Unsend for everyone, Messenger may replace the bubble with a small note saying the message was removed so others know something was taken out but cannot read what it was. After that, confirm your choice. Messenger might show a short confirmation button or pop-up asking if you really want to unsend the message for everyone. Tap the Confirm option, and the message will disappear from the visible chat history almost immediately. On most devices, you will see the conversation jump slightly as the removed message space closes up, so you can visually confirm it is gone. You just learned how to unsend a message in Facebook Messenger, so it no longer appears for anyone in that chat. If this helped you fix a message mistake, please give the video a quick thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more simple Messenger tips.